Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best induction cooktops in 2019. To see the price and more information about these induction cooktops, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the CHS995SELSS. This 30-inch wide stainless steel GE range is another Wi-Fi compatible model allowing control via smartphone or through a voice assistant like Alexa. The stovetop features 5 cooking spaces with controls arranged along the front. The controls are button style rather than knobs, adding to the sleek look at the range. The oven has an interior measurement of 5.3 cubic feet and has a boiling option along with a delay bake option to time your food to perfection. The self-cleaning oven also includes the ability to self-clean the oven racks, making it simple to keep the oven clean. There is also a steam cleaning option. Below the oven is a storage drawer with a soft close feature, making it convenient and quiet to use. At number 4. We have the Cafe CHS995SELSS. The GE Cafe is a 30 inches wide smart slide and electric induction range. As with other similar GE ranges, this model is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with services such as Amazon Alexa, offering space for 5 pots and pans on top with easily accessible controls on the front. This is a double oven model. The primary oven has 4.4 cubic feet of capacity, which are less than our top choice, but the second oven space makes up for this in terms of flexibility. The ovens are heated via convection and feature a self-cleaning mode to once again save time and energy. A delayed bake option allows you to load up the oven and program it to come on later, perhaps while you are out, and have your food ready when you are ready to eat it. The range is stainless steel and the overall look is enhanced by LED backlit control knobs. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the GE PHB920S JSS. If you like gadgets, you're going to love the GE PHB920S JSS. Not only does it feature a 5-burner edge-to-edge induction cooking area with a convection oven, but you can also control it with your smartphone. The oven is compatible with a GE app that allows you to set and monitor the temperature. Not only that, but an Alexa skill is also available allowing you to talk to the oven. Google Assistant and other voice assistants are also coming compatible with the GE app, known as Geneva, as are other kitchen appliances including coffee machines, dishwashers, refrigerators, dryers and room air conditioners. The voice control option only works with the oven on the GE PHB920S JSS and not with the stovetop or the broiler that could prove useful in certain situations. Aside from the gadgets, the GE PHB920S JSS is one of the best induction slide and ranges you can find. Hands can be heated quickly and the oven heating is nice and even. At number 2. We have the Kenmore 94149. The Kenmore 94149 is made from stainless steel and truly looks fantastic. It features 5 heating elements and has 6.1 cubic feet of cooking space in the oven, which is self-cleaning. The stovetop is powered by magnetic induction to heat pots and pans directly, speeding up the boiling process and saving energy at the same time. A power boost option increases the temperature of the induction plates temporarily, which allows you to crisp up sandwiches or melt cheese easily. Spills can be easily cleaned as only the area in contact with the pan is heated, so it is virtually impossible to have food burn under the surface of the stovetop. The oven uses true convection, combining a fan and a heating element to surround any food with equal and balanced heat. This assists in baking and browning anything you want to cook. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Jenn-Air JIS1450DS. Jenn-Air is another company that produces quality products, especially when it comes to the world of induction cooking. This induction range also has a convection oven, so it's the perfect blend of efficiency and functionality, ideal for the modern but busy chef. One of the unique functions of this induction range is its sensor boil function. This function can make sure that sauces and other foods aren't scorched or burned during the cooking process. This is incredibly useful for cookers who are cooking a large meal. Of course, no high-functioning induction range would be complete without a self-cleaning convection oven. For people who value a clean cooking space, a self-cleaning oven is an absolute must. The Jenn-Air induction range offers a clean cooking solution. In terms of safety, this induction range takes care. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.